Hey, it's Todd with TLF Works again, out here in my shop standing next to my bandsaw. Went to use the bandsaw last weekend. Great tool, I love this tool. It's the Rikon 10 325. It's a 14-inch bandsaw. I think it has like 13-inch resaw capability. It's a fantastic saw. I really don't use it as often as I could or should, but when I went to use it last week and I turned it on, the blade wouldn't spin. So I shut it off, opened up the lower case on it, and found that the drive belt on this thing was just shredded and wrapped around everything down there. So today we're replacing the belt on the bandsaw. Hope you stick around.
Let's start this project up with a little cleaning here. The Allen wrenches for the bandsaw are stored on the back side of the bandsaw. This lower drive wheel was a little tight, but with a little persuasion it came right off. Quick check to make sure the new belt is the same size as the old belt. Let's release that tension, do a little cleanup here, get ready to install the new belt. If it was only that easy. This pulley wheel is ribbed. It has 3 ribs in it, so there's 3 slots. The old belt is embedded inside of all of it. It's just baked in there and it's not coming out for anything. So I went and grabbed a small screwdriver, one of those little jeweler screwdrivers with a real thin head on it. And I'm using it to clean up as much of that belt as I can. I had probably been at it for 20 minutes at this point, and it wasn't close to being clean. It became obvious to me at this point that the belt had not been properly seated and was offset to the inside of the drive. Sometimes you just need to add more light so you can see what you're doing. Here's a little close-up using the GoPro. Still not clean. I worked at cleaning this for a good 35 or 40 minutes. At some point you just gotta say enough is enough. Make sure that everything is good. Make sure that the belt is going to seat in there properly and put it back together. Here's another close-up with the GoPro. I wanted to make sure that that belt was seated properly and wasn't rubbing against the casing of the saw. It looks good. You can see right here how the belt is centered on that lower pulley. A quick adjustment to the belt tension and we're all set.
Well, that was more difficult than I expected. This old belt was in worse shape than I expected. A large amount of this belt was on the tool, baked in there. Had to scrape it out, clean this thing up before I put the new belt on. Putting the new belt on was a piece of cake. Anyway, my bandsaw is back in action. I thank you for watching. I hope you'll subscribe. Click that like button if you liked what you saw, and I'll see you later. Have a good day.